Hi and welcome to this video about benefits, features, advantages and challenges of Googlebot. So, in the words of a Google board, here are the benefits of Googlebot artificial intelligence services. With the Googlebot AI, you can generate a text, translate languages, and create a creative content and ask questions in an informative manner. The chatbot uses large language models that are trained on vast datasets of a text and code, and the Googlebot offers the following advantages we need to discuss now. The first one is you can learn a lot through it and through Google search. Googlebot can access and process information from the real world while maintaining the consistency with the search results. If you ask about a question about any topic, it can provide you with accurate and current information. And the second will be, and you can become more creative by using it, in addition to generating text and translating languages or writing different kinds of creative content and innovative content and answering your questions in an informative manner. But Googlebot can also help you answer your question by using bot. You can create some stories and brainstorm ideas and translate text between languages. And what about the productivity can be improved by using it? We need to discuss now in addition to writing emails, generating reports, and creating a presentation. It means a proper business presentations. Googlebot can help you with a variety of tasks. As a result, you will have more time to do other things. The final will be on. Socializing can be made easier with it. Using Googlebot, you can learn more about other people and their interests so you can connect with them. As a result, you will be able to build relationship with others and find common ground with them. So as a whole, Googlebot is a useful tool with many applications and learning new skills and being more creative and being more productive and being more social can be enhanced by it. This is a chatbot uses a deep learning that algorithms called large language models to answer these questions based on a Lambda technology. The Googlebot a chatbot uses information from the web to provide up-to-date answers. It aims to change how people search for information and uses search engines. In this session, it distills a complex information into a digestible form, providing in-depth answers to open-ended questions there. So, the next one is we need to talk about the Lambda is what it sounds like. Apparently, a Google employee believes that the artificial intelligence is conscious and able to communicate its anxieties, which is why it's important and popular topic of discussion. And what sets it apart from a task-based model and is that it can facilitate more natural and defined conversations, too. And actually, it predicts the next word in a series based on a previous word. So, Lambda needs to understand the multimodal user intent and reinforcement learning and recommendations process. The next one is what's Googlebot a chatbot all about? We need to discuss now. It's an easy to use. Just ask the chatbot a question and it will use its advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to tell you what you need to know. You can find the news and weather forecast and sports scores and more with the chatbots too. You can use it to automate a task by using Google. You can use the chatbots to book flights and order food without having to do it yourself. In addition to helping you stay organized, and it helps you keep track of your schedule, reminders, and to-do lists so you don't forget anything important. In addition to interacting with other bots, you can also use it to interact with the humans and you can chat in groups or one-on-one. And using the Google chatbot is as simple as opening the Google app on your phone and tapping the chat bot's icon. And so, you can ask the chatbot questions or requested information and it will do the rest for you. And Google's always coming up with new and innovative ways to interact with it here. And that is a lot to like about a cobblepot. We need to talk. That is a human-like text generation with Googlebot. It's integrated with the Google Cloud. It offers a pre-training on diverse data. It has a customization and fine-tuning, and it generates several responses to user prompts so you can pick the best answer as a question or get more options. You can explore different ideas and tap into your creativity model. So, search results from Googlebot are relevant, dependable, and cross-domains. As bot is connected to the live internet, it has access to up-to-date the information and it can learn from user feedback, improving its performance over time. The Googlebot a chatbot has an easy-to-use interface that's easy to use. Actually, Google services and products can be integrated here. So, it's a natural choice for Google users, and users can get a specific answer to questions, which is perfect for people looking for a quick and concise answers. The next will be there are some disadvantages to Googlebot we need to discuss. And while Googlebot has a lot of capabilities, it could be more error-prone and produce inaccurate information with high confidence. Users should be aware of this limitation and cross-check the information provided because the ChatGPT is impressive, but it cannot access the full context of a conversation or situations like Googlebot, a chatbot. It sometimes gives an inaccurate information or omits the important details too. There is a possibility that a Googlebot can inadvertently mimic real-world biases and stereotypes in the idea it learns from, which could cause inappropriate or offensive responses that hurt some groups. So that is a no, replacing human judgment or professional expertise with the Googlebot. And users should check out the information provided by BAR and the critical thinking skills to determine if it's accurate. And as a generative AI, tools like a bot have ethical and social implications process. So, users should keep this in mind here. This is a major process you can understand, and this is a major disadvantages of Googlebot. I hope you have enjoyed. And thank you all.